Do you ever wonder how successful people, millionaires, CEOs, and top performers, achieve so much in just 24 hours? Well, here's the truth. They don't have more time than you. They just manage it differently. Today, you're going to learn how they do it, and how you can too. Introduction. Time is the most valuable currency in the world. You can lose money and earn it back. But when time is gone, it's gone forever. Successful people understand this deeply. That's why they treat every minute like gold. Secret number 1, the 80-20 rule: focus on what matters. Successful people don't try to do everything. They follow the Pareto principle, also known as the 80-20 rule. They focus on the 20% of tasks that produce 80% of the results. Instead of staying busy, they stay effective. They ask, what's the one thing I can do today that will bring the biggest impact? Secret number 2, powerful morning routines. They don't hit the snooze button. They wake up early, often before the world is awake. Why? Because the morning is quiet, focused, and powerful. They avoid distractions like phones and social media. Instead, they meditate, exercise, journal, or plan their day. They start strong, and that energy lasts all day. Secret number 3, time blocking. Every hour is scheduled, not randomly filled. They use time blocking, breaking their day into focused chunks. 1 hour for deep work. 30 minutes for emails. 1 hour for meetings. They control their calendar, not the other way around. Secret number 4, saying no to distractions. Every time you say yes to something unimportant, you say no to your goals. That's why successful people protect their time. They don't attend every meeting. They don't respond to every message instantly. They create boundaries and stay focused. Secret number 5, learning never stops. Success isn't luck. It's built on growth. Every day, they read. They listen to podcasts. They take online courses. Because they know, if you stop learning, you stop growing. And if you stop growing, you start dying. Motivational closing. Look, you have the same 24 hours as Elon Musk, as Oprah, as Warren Buffett. The difference isn't time. It's how you use it. So ask yourself, are you spending your day, or are you investing it? Start today. Respect your time. Own your day. And build the future you deserve. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more motivational videos.